Welcome guys to Wave of Wealth. Today we're going to talk about how to use your Wise card. So let's get started. First thing first you need to know and that you need to do actually is to obtain one. I mean, how can you do it? It's quick and easy, guys. The first thing you need to do is to open a Wise account. I'm really hoping that you've already done that, which you can do in just a few minutes. Order a physical Wise card. It's just a one-time fee to pay of $9 if I'm right, and no annual subscription fees or hidden charges to worry about. $9. You pay one time $9 and you get your Wise card. After that, after your card expires, you get a new one for free. If you lose your card, the fee for lost card, basically it's for them to make you another one, is $5. That's something that I want you to keep in your head. So right here, what you need to do is open a balance in one of the currencies available and top up your account. Now you're ready to get a Wise digital card, and here's how to do it in just few easy steps. Download and open Wise app. Tap digital card, slide your cards to the right until you spot the purple card. Tap get a digital card. And that's basically it. You can see right here 4 easy steps, guys, just 4 easy clicks and you can get your card. And how to use it? Well, for most transactions, your Wise digital card can be used like any debit card or credit card you have in your wallet. To shop online, all you need are the virtual card details, such as the card number and expiry date. To shop in stores, buy a coffee, or purchase train tickets in the real world, you can make a contactless payment using just your phone. Store your Wise digital card in a mobile wallet like Apple Pay or Google Wallet, and you can just tap your phone or smartwatch to the terminal to pay. And that's basically it. That's the Wise digital card work overseas. Yes, the beauty of both with Wise digital and physical cards is that they can be used in countries worldwide. You can use your virtual card wherever contactless payments are accepted, making sure to add it to your mobile wallet first. This makes it a great option for holiday spending, as well as covering expenses for work trips and visits to family members living in other countries. So, using the Wise digital card in the UK, as well as using your Wise digital card overseas, you can also use it there in UK, guys. You just need to make sure you have enough money loaded into your GBP balance, then you can spend freely. Tap and pay as you usually would with a contactless card or mobile wallet, and then the spending is deducted directly from your GBP balance with no extra fees to pay. So that's about it. If you have any other question, guys, I'm just making this video just for attract you who have problem with this. If you have problems, write down in the comment section. I'll try to answer to you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.